biggest wish this year, I want money and lucky. Because lucky, I don't bet lucky. So a lot of things come true. So I want money and lucky. Second, I have lucky. I want comes true and I have money, eat many and buy everything. So I want money and lucky. I buy lotto. I come true first. I think number one, and I think with test number one, I take number one. Third, many people fall in flower, but I don't flower, so I want lucky and I have money. I want item. Buy, so be believe to buy items. So I want lucky and money. In conclusion, I buy everything and I'm lucky that I think anything, so I happy, so I want money and lucky. Thank you for listening my presentation.